repeating for everyone. Yesterday we discussed 5 million years ago Australopithecines. In Australopithecines we got two varieties, one is gracile variety, other is robustus variety. Gracile variety is called as Anamensis afarensis africanus ramidus, and robustus variety is called as Paranthropus robustus Paranthropus bossi. రెండు రకాల ఫాజిల్స్ దొరికినాయి మనకి, ఒకటి లావ్ ఫాజిల్, ఇంకోటి సన్న ఫాజిల్. సన్న ఫాజిల్ ఏమో గ్రేసియల్ అండ్ లావ్ ఫాజిల్ ఏమో రొబస్టస్. ఎక్కడ దొరికాయి అంటే సౌత్ ఆఫ్రికన్ కాంటినెంట్లో దొరికింది, ఈస్ట్ ఆఫ్రికన్ కాంటినెంట్లో దొరికింది. సౌత్ ఆఫ్రికన్ కాంటినెంట్ వాట్ వి గాట్ ఆఫ్రికానస్ Paranthropus robustus. Remaining where we got East Africa. And the physical features are, they are bipedal but not erect. Who? Australopithecines. They are bipedal but not erect. They were bent. Then from 5 million years ago to 4 million years ago to 3 million years ago till 2 million years ago, when the excavations are happening, the number of dead bodies, the number of fossils which were been available were been only glacial but not robustus. From that we conclude that robustus variety number has been reduced and gracile variety numbers were been increased, which means that gracile variety had evolved further and robustus variety became extinct. Then by 1.6 million years ago, in few books 1.4 million years ago, excavations were been continuing at a place in Africa. That place name is called as Ergaster. We got one fossil which was straight, erect, fixed. Hence we gave the name called as Homo erectus Ergaster, and this was been found where? In Africa. Hence African variety Homo erectus is called as what? Homo erectus Ergaster. Then what happened? Africa. In Africa what happened? We have Ergaster, Homo erectus Ergaster at 1.6 to 1.4 million years ago. Then suddenly what happened? 1.3, 1.2, 1.1. The temperature in Africa, like this side of the earth, the temperature in Africa, the temperature in West Asia, the temperature in Middle East Asia got increased. So Homo erectus Ergaster could not survive because the temperature has been increased. So this man, in search of survival, he started moving in all directions. This is very big ocean, Atlantic Ocean. So this side he didn't went because a very big ocean. He traveled, but we could not find land, so he came back. According to Skupin, he traveled but he could not get the land. Why? Because the distance is more, Atlantic Ocean. So he traveled but he could not go till the land, so he didn't went, so he came back. Then he went towards here. Egypt was there. Egypt, temperature is hot, little bit okay, but still continued, and one group settled at Indonesia, another group settled at China. The Chinese, the Homo erectus who settled in China are called as Homo erectus pekinensis, and Homo erectus who settled in Indonesia are Homo erectus javanicus. One section of people went to this side, another section of people, there was this is what? Mediterranean Sea. They crossed the Mediterranean Sea. As soon as they crossed the Mediterranean Sea, the temperature was very less, and they went here near Germany and settled down. Hence European variety of Homo erectus is called as Homo erectus heidelbergensis. So first Homo erectus evolved in Africa by the name called as what? Homo erectus ergaster. As the temperature has increased, the Homo erectus ergaster could not survive in Africa, hence he started in search. Now suddenly the temperature has been increased and AC is got dumb, closed. Whether you will stay or you will go out, you go out. And the temperature is increasing on the road also, still you will run. You went to your hotel, to your hostel, till it is temperature is hot, you will try to go to your home. In your home also the temperature, whether you will stay in home, still you in search of the place where you can survive. So the people here, the temperature has been increased, the temperature has been increased, the temperature has been increased. So started moving towards China, started moving towards Indonesia, moved towards Europe. They tried this side also, but the waters were very high, so they could not cross. Why? Because they could not see the land, so they went back. Here only small, Mediterranean is small, no? Just they crossed the Mediterranean, they had Europe, hence they settled down. It is called as Homo erectus heidelbergensis. In this way, from Australopithecines, the man had evolved into Homo erectus ergaster, and this Homo erectus ergaster had further evolved into Homo erectus javanicus, Homo erectus pekinensis, Homo erectus heidelbergensis. So hence, how many varieties of Homo erectus we have? 4 varieties of Homo erectus we have. One is African variety, name called as Homo erectus ergaster. Indonesian variety called as Homo erectus javanicus. China variety, Homo erectus pekinensis. European variety, Homo erectus heidelbergensis. What are their physical features? Then now you will get a doubt. What is that? Okay, sir. So this is Homo erectus ergaster, this is Homo erectus pekinensis, this is Homo erectus javanicus, this is Homo erectus heidelbergensis. Can you please tell me? Then from Homo erectus, the next is Neanderthal. After the Neanderthal, it is Homo sapiens. Then who evolved into Neanderthal, sir? Whether Homo erectus ergaster evolved into Neanderthal, Homo erectus pekinensis evolved into Neanderthal, or Homo erectus javanicus evolved into Neanderthal, or Homo erectus heidelbergensis evolved into Neanderthal. That we will discuss. Australopithecines, we have gracile variety and robustus variety. Whether 2 evolved into Homo erectus or only 1 evolved into Homo erectus? Which one evolved into Homo erectus? Gracile. Similarly, from this 4, only 1 evolved further. Remaining 3 became extinct.